Okay, here when you finish your editing, that means you finish assemble the video and audio in your sequence in here. So you can export your sequence. You can export it into many formats. For example, you can export both the video and audio together to make a movie file. So you can export as a AVI movie file, a QuickTime movie file, a Real Media movie file, a MPEG movie file, a Windows Media movie file, or you can export as a Flash movie file. Or if you want, you can just export the video or just export the audio like that. And you can also export a single image from the CTI in here, this display, or if you want, you can export as the image sequence, so you can make it. And if you have a DVD burner in your computer, so you can burn your sequence into a DVD disc, so you can play your movie from a DVD player on your TV. And also, if you connect your mini DV camcorder to your computer, so you can export your sequence into a mini DV tape. So that's the option. You can export them many format and you can choose from. And here, before you export your sequence, there's something you have to check it. That's the icon here. This is the tracks icon for the video and for the audio. Like this, if you uncheck it, like this, if you turn off the tracks icon here, all the video from this track, they will not be exported. So you have to make sure, if you want to export the entire sequence or the video on the track here, you have to turn on the tracks icon here. And this is the same as the audio here. You have to turn on the tracks icon here if you want to export the audio from here. So you have to make sure turn it on. And also from this sequence, like this, the entire sequence from here, from beginning here to the end to here, that's the 11 seconds and 15 frames. This is the entire sequence. And if you want, you can export only the portion or the sequence like this, so you can set the word error bar in here. You set the word error bar, so you can export only the portion, the sequence from here to here. So you can select it from the setting when you want to export it like this in here. So you can, for the exporting, you can go to here, export. You can export as a movie file, and in here you can select from the setting. You can export only the video or only the audio, and you can export as a image sequence in here from the setting from here. And here you can export a simple image file. In here they export only this, the current CTI frame in here, so they export a single image. And here you can export a audio file, only the audio, no video. And here the title, you can select the title from the project panel here, and you can export the title like this. So you can reuse these titles into another project. That's very useful. And here you select a sequence in here, of course, so you can export. And here, if you have a mini DV connect to your computer, so you can export as into a DV tape in here. And here, if you have DVD disc in your DVD burner, so you can burn a DVD disc from here. And here also, if you want, you can export your sequence as the EDL file, that's edit decision list file. So you can reuse your editing from another non-linear video editing application. So you can reuse the sequence editing here. And here the Adobe Media Encoder, built-in encoder, that's very useful and have many presets, so you can just select from. So you can export many formats, for example QuickTime, MPEG 1, MPEG 2, and for the movie, VCD or DVD, and you can export as a Real Media file and Windows Media file and Flash movie, so you can select from the option here. And here, one by one, I'll show you here. When you here, you can export the sequence, and you select the sequence like this. And if you want, you can export only the source file like this. So you can set the from here the input and output here, so you can export only portion of the single movie file here, or audio or video like this, so you can set it. But for me, I will export the editing here from the sequence, so I can select the sequence here. Or if you want, you can select the sequence from here, so you can select it, so you can open it from here, export the sequence. Or if you want, you can select here, open it here. That means you can convert this and move file into another format so you can make it like this. And here I'll select the sequence here. So I set the work area bar in here, so I can select both the entire sequence or only from the work area bar in here.